Are you one of the thousands of homeowners across the country who are facing the possible loss of your home through a potentially wrongful foreclosure? Or are you one of the hundreds of thousands of homeowners who are pursuing loan modification agreements with lenders that may never lead to permanent loan modifications? Well, you are not alone. Millions of homeowners have mortgages that exceed the value of their home. Payments that are now or about to be reset at amounts they can't afford. Delinquent on payments with no way to catch up. Have a foreclosure notice filed against them. Well, if you're facing any of these situations, we have great news for you today. Great news that could possibly save your home and give you back the financial security that you deserve. Stay tuned, because during the next 30 minutes, we'll show you how our panel can help educate homeowners who may have been victimized by predatory lending practices and fraudulent foreclosures. Hi, I'm Milton Lawrence, and today we have a distinguished panel of experienced attorneys with specific expertise in all areas of mortgage lending abuse against homeowners. And during today's show, we'll be providing you with all the information you need to protect your rights as a homeowner. Joining me on the show today, attorneys Kenin Spivak, Ted Maloney, Deron Colby, and Vito Torchia, Jr. Gentlemen, thanks for joining us on our show today. Let me start out by asking you about your background and experience. Ted, let me start out with you.
Okay, my background is I've been a corporate and transactional lawyer for a little over 25 years. And my background includes banking, corporate finance, and an area of particular interest to the subject matter we're talking about today, which is securitization, and have primarily spent time on that until we joined in the Ronald case.
Kenin?
Thanks. For the last 30 years, I've run the gamut from being chief executive officer of some very large companies. I was an investment banker at Merrill Lynch, and I've been an attorney. About a year ago, I got involved in what's become the lead case trying to protect the rights of homeowners, Ronald versus Bank of America, and I'm lead counsel now in that case. And so I've been spending quite a bit of time trying to work my way through the issues and the means of protecting homeowners.
Deron, tell me about yourself.
Thank you, Milton. I started practicing law about 14 years ago. Started in the securities corporate area, business litigation, so I've been doing business litigation for about 14 years now, and got into this area of law just recently with what they call the mortgage meltdown. Consider myself somewhat of a blue-collar lawyer in terms of understanding clients' issues, and I think it serves me well in the area of law that I practice currently, and that is trying unlawful detainer actions, handling individual lawsuits. I meet with every client. I listen to their stories. Some of their stories are very compelling, very heart-wrenching. And so my focus right now is litigation in the trenches in the courtroom.
Very well, and last but never least, Vito.
Hi, Milton. My experience ranges about 50% transactional, 50% litigation. I'm licensed in California, New York, and Florida, and have multiple mass tort actions going on in California at this time with regards to the lending industry.